Welcome to Mastering ISO 9001 Certification and Immersive E-Workshop, your gateway to ISO 9001 excellence. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards ISO 9001 certification? Look no further. Our e-workshop offers an immersive video masterclass covering the essentials of ISO 9001, implementation of a quality management system, pre-audit preparation, managing the certification audit, and post-audit strategies. But that's not all. You'll gain exclusive access to our QMS development toolkit filled with templates, procedures, checklists, and policies to kickstart your ISO 9001 implementation. Learn to conduct effective internal audits to identify gaps, ensure compliance, and prepare for external audits. Assess your learning with mock exams and sample questions to excel in the official ISO 9001 certification exam. Earn a globally recognized ISO 9001 certificate by passing the exam, showcasing your expertise. Ready to take the first step towards QMS excellence? Enroll now and get started. This comprehensive e-workshop combines expert instruction with downloadable tools and resources, giving you the confidence to implement and maintain an ISO 9001 certified QMS. Don't miss out on this opportunity to master ISO 9001. Enroll today and become a quality management expert.